Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Tech Learning. I am your friend Muhammad Soeb. Today I am discussing about how to avoid plagiarism in NEBOSH Open Book examination, and I will also tell you two very important tools, which is Ginger Writing and Turnit. From those two softwares, your life will be very easy. I will give you the link in my description box, and last the video I will show you my plagiarism checked IG2 report. So let's drive the video. So first of all, you should know if your answer come in NEBOSH Malpractice policy, then NEBOSH can ban you for 2 to 4 years. So guys, simple word में कहें तो plagiarism means similar index, which is someone's index or content taken from internet or other resources by you, and it's a crime. जी हाँ, सही सुने, ये एक प्रकार का क्राइम ही है कि आप किसी और की कंटेंट की चोरी करते हैं, एंड फॉर दिस NEBOSH आपको 2 से 4 साल के लिए बैन भी कर सकता है. सो बी केयरफुल गाइज. Boss, please don't skip the video. For avoiding plagiarism, you have two choices. First is you can write all paragraph in your own word, or if you are using internet and something copy paste from there, then you can use rephrase software, which with the help of rephrase you can take your report unique. So guys, many types of rephraser software available on internet, but I use Ginger software. From this software you can rephrase your answer. I will give you link in my description box for this softwares. You can see the Ginger software's logo in my screen. Now come to second option, which is using plagiarism checker software. So guys, many more software available on internet, but turn it in the popular and using very easy. Even NEBOSH also using same software. Turnit is a very useful software for students, but if you cannot access the directly Turnit, then I will give you third party's link on my description box. They will little charge from you, like 100 to 200 Indian rupees. And after getting your plagiarism report, you can delete similar index or rephrase and make report your very unique. Also, your report or answer will be jargon free. Now I am showing my plagiarism checked report, that is my NEBOSH IG2 report, which is checked by the plagiarism software through the third party. Guys, please subscribe and like my channel. This is my IG2 report, which is checked by Turnit software. Here you can see all highlighting. See, all highlighting part here detected by the Turnit as a similar index. See, this is my report, and I successfully passed. Here see some, yeah, this is report result. Here you can see 19% total my similarity index. Here 14% from internet resources, 18% from student papers. Here you can see NEBOSH papers 14%. Here 2% from this website, 2 from this website, 1% from this website. Here you can see less than 1% from this website.